In the deep, shadowy jungles of Asia, where the forest breathes in silence, where every leaf hides a secret, a phantom moves among the trees. It is a master of stealth, a solitary ruler, and one of the most feared and revered predators on Earth. This is the tiger. The tiger is the largest member of the cat family, a muscular predator built for stealth, speed, and sudden power. There are 6 living subspecies: Bengal Siberian or Amur, Sumatran, Indochinese, Malay, and South China, critically endangered. From the snowy tiger of Russia to the humid mangroves of the Sundarbans, the tiger has adapted to some of the most diverse environments on Earth. Yet, no matter where it lives, it commands the landscape like a silent king. The tiger is designed for ambush. Its signature orange coat and black stripes serve as perfect camouflage in the dappled light of the forest. Each stripe pattern is unique, like a fingerprint. With padded paws and retractable claws, it moves silently. Its jaws can crush bone. Its eyes can see in near darkness. And a single swipe of its paw can break a deer's spine. The tiger doesn't chase. It waits, then strikes, with terrifying precision. Tigers are solitary hunters, preferring the shadows. They stalk their prey, often deer, wild boar, or even buffalo, using stealth and patience. Once within range, they unleash a blinding burst of speed, pouncing with deadly force. Most attacks target the throat or neck, cutting off air or breaking the spine. But not every hunt is successful. In fact, tigers fail more than half the time. Each kill is a triumph and must last for days. After feeding, a tiger will drag the carcass to a hidden spot, often covering it with leaves to return later. In the wild, food is never guaranteed. Every meal is earned. Tigers are territorial. A male's domain can stretch over 60 to 100 square kilometers, often overlapping with the ranges of several females. They mark their territory with urine sprays, scratch marks on trees, and vocal calls, especially at night, a haunting sound that can travel for miles. They live alone, not out of hostility, but necessity. Solitude ensures they have enough prey, enough space, enough quiet. In the tiger's world, silence is survival. The tiger isn't just brute force, it's highly intelligent. It adapts its hunting strategy to each environment. In snowy forests, it stalks from higher ground. In dense jungles, it uses water and shadows as cover. In mangroves, it even swims to surprise prey. Tigers are excellent swimmers and will often cool off in rivers or lakes, sometimes lying submerged for hours. They learn, they remember. Some tigers even develop unique hunting preferences, like favoring porcupines, birds, or even crocodiles. This is a predator that doesn't just survive, it thinks. When a female is ready to mate, she signals with calls and scent marks. After a brief courtship, the male leaves, his role complete. The female gives birth after about 3.5 months, usually to 2 to 4 cubs. Blind, helpless and weighing just over 2 pounds, tiger cubs depend entirely on their mother. She nurses, protects and teaches them, introducing them to meat around 2 months and teaching them to hunt by 6. But life is harsh. Only half of all tiger cubs survive to adulthood. Those that do become lone hunters, carving out their own territory and continuing the cycle of shadows. A century ago, over 100,000 tigers roamed across Asia. Today, fewer than 4,000 remain in the wild. The reasons are grim: poaching, driven by the illegal trade in skins and traditional medicine; habitat loss, as forests fall to farms, mines and cities; conflict with humans, as tigers are pushed into villages and livestock areas. Some subspecies, like the Javan, Caspian and Bali tigers, are already extinct, and others teeter on the edge. But all is not lost. Thanks to conservation efforts, tiger numbers are slowly rising in countries like India, Nepal and Bhutan. Protected reserves, anti-poaching patrols and ecotourism are giving the tiger space to recover. Organizations around the world are working to protect habitat corridors, vital green pathways that allow tigers to move, mate and thrive. But the fight is far from over. The tiger's survival depends not just on laws, but on our willingness to respect the wild. Because once the roar falls silent, it may never return. For centuries, the tiger has haunted our stories and art. To many Asian cultures, it is a symbol of strength, protection, and majesty. In China, it's one of the 12 zodiac animals, a guardian against evil spirits. In India, it rides with the goddess Durga, representing divine power. Even today, the tiger stirs something deep within us, a blend of fear, awe, and ancient memory. It is a creature that belongs not just to the jungle, but to the soul of the earth. The tiger is not just an animal, it is a presence, a whisper of fire in the forest. It doesn't ask for much, just silence, space, and the right to be what it has always been. A shadow among trees, a ripple in tall grass, a whisper, then a roar. This is the tiger hunter guardian ghost of the jungle.